Daddy, welcome to my YouTube channel. I love you.
If you're a mom that makes your daughter's hair, some days are just full of bribery, from food to drinks and finally TV. You just have to get it done somehow. Welcome back, guys. It's another hairstyling video. So good to have you here. Guess what? Our views are coming up. So excited. And if you're here, I'm glad to have you. You just found the best channel where you have the cutest hairstyles for your baby girl. Simple, quick, and straight to the point. We do natural stuff here, and basically I'm just a mom showing you how you can style your girl's hair beautifully. Yeah, so thank you for staying. Today we're just going to be doing something simple with rubber bands and some weaves, just quick to the point. This particular day I just needed to get us set for like an outing, and I needed something sharp, and I came up with this. I really hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you leave a comment. You can also let me know the kind of videos you would like to see. So see you in the next one.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it big deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my heart uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm alone. Would you
Bend down. Wow. So pretty. Turn around. Like this. Still like this. Wow.